Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth in the stock market. Today's topic is this: how to make money online. How do you make money online? One of the ways guys make money online is very simple. Teaching. Let me give you an example. I'm in the financial advisory business. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. One of the ways I've seen guys make money online is teaching. I'm not the only one guiding people on the stock market. There are others like Abojani. There are others like the trading room. There are others like magic compounding. There are others like there are a number. Scope markets. And all these guys, what they do is basically to teach people about the stock market. And of course, other financial instruments, savings, investing, circles, bonds, and things like that. And so if you are teaching people online, whatever you are teaching them, it doesn't matter. You can teach them about the stock market, you can teach them about sweeping, you can teach them about cooking, you can teach them anything. Computer repair, you can teach them about knitting, you can teach them about making chemicals, you can teach anything. So teaching is a very good thing. Whatever skill you have, you can teach people and then they'll pay you. You can have classes via Zoom, you can have classes via WhatsApp, you can have classes through any medium and then guys pay you. So teaching is a very good way of making money online. Another way of making money online is sales. So let's take, for example, you're just a university student or any other person and you don't have something to do. What you can do is go online to websites like Jumia. Jumia is an e-commerce store. They sell things there. They sell many things. Computers, electronics, chairs, they sell clothes, they sell many things. So what you do, there's a code you'll be given. You will be working as an affiliate. Affiliate basically is a reseller of other things. So you'll be given a link. Now that link, you'll be posting it to various social media websites. You can post it on social media. If you have a blog, you post it on that blog. You can post it on Facebook, post it on Twitter, post it on Instagram, post it anywhere, Quora, Snapchat, TikTok, post that link everywhere. Now when people buy, there's a commission you get, about 2% or 3% or so. 2% if you're within Nairobi, if you're outside Nairobi, about 3 or 4% or so. So let's take, for example, a computer is 40,000 and someone buys the computer. Of course, 10% is about 4,000. So 5% is about 2,000. So 3% is about maybe 1,500 or so. So let's take, for example, 10 people buy computers from your link every day. So if you get 1,500 per person times 10 people, that is 15,000. And let's assume you're doing that every day. You're on Twitter, you're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on Snapchat, you're TikTok, you're everywhere. And every day, you're distributing that link. And people are buying many things. People can even buy a fridge, and a fridge is 50, 60,000. And so your commission becomes big. The other thing you can do online is promote other people's businesses. You can promote this book, for example. This book, I'm selling it at 1,500. And so if I give you this book and you're promoting it, then I can decide to sell for you this book at, let's say, 1,200. So if you sell it, you get 300 shillings. So assume you are able to sell 10 of them. So 300 times 10 is 3,000. And if you can do that every day, then you are able to make 3,000 every day times 30 days. That is 90,000 shillings. That is how people make money online. So it just depends with one. Do you have the numbers? If you have the numbers, well and good. You can sell and make money, and a lot of money online. So one way of making money online is through affiliate marketing. The other way of making money online is teaching. The other way of making money online is influencers. Influencing. What influencers do, they're a group of young people who have a big following on Twitter. And so then what happens is they go approach companies, and companies give them products. They take these products and they promote these companies. If you have an event, you give them. They promote for you so that you trend on Twitter. If you have a product, you give them. They promote for you so that the product, they create awareness. And by influencing their followers, by convincing their followers to buy from you, then they are paid for it. So ladies and gentlemen, you can become a social media strategist, become an influencer, influencing other brands. That is how big other people have become, the likes of Aziad Nasenya. They promote brands. Beverly Kwamboka, they promote brands. So ladies and gentlemen, you can also start promoting brands and making money online. There's too much money to be made online. The other thing you can do to make money online is via saving and investing in the stock market. You see, the stock market, it all happens in your phone, from your phone or from your computer. You can buy Safaricom. Let's say now Safaricom is 36 or 37. You buy, it goes up to 42, you sell. You make your 10%. So your 10%, if you had 100,000, 10% is 10K. The other day, another day again, you buy equity. Let's say equity is 50. It goes to 55, you sell. Out of 100,000, you make another 10,000. So doing that every day with many companies, there are about 60 companies in the stock market. So doing that every day, you're able to make some big, significant money. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If you're new here, join our Telegram group. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are in the online business and you're making money online, please share with us so that we can tell as many people as possible also to start making money online. Many people are suffering, and we need to teach people on various ways or various things they can do so that they can make money online. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.